Welcome back. Today, we're exploring 5 more free AI tools in 2025 that can supercharge your workflow and make your life easier. Whether you're a student, content creator, or entrepreneur, these tools will save time, boost productivity, and help you create better work. Stick around, because I'll show you how to use them effectively and combine them for maximum results. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete toolkit to improve your content creation and productivity. First up is Notion AI, the productivity powerhouse. It helps you take notes, organize tasks, and brainstorm ideas. Notion AI is perfect for creating structured plans for any project, whether it's for school, work, or YouTube content. For example, you can ask Notion AI to create a weekly content plan for my YouTube channel and instantly get a detailed schedule with tasks for each day. Tip: use it to summarize meetings, documents, or even long articles in seconds. Extra tip: combine Notion AI with ChatGPT to generate content ideas and then organize them neatly in Notion. This combination will save you hours each week and help you stay consistent with your work. Next is DALL E3, an AI image generator. You can create custom illustrations, thumbnails, and graphics just from text prompts. For instance, type a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and get a stunning image instantly. You can also generate images for social media posts, blog headers, or YouTube thumbnails. Tip: use DALL to create unique visuals that stand out and attract more viewers. Extra tip: combine multiple images to make collages, banners, or even storyboards for your projects. Experimenting with different prompts can lead to creative results that you might never have imagined. Third, we have Lumen 5, an AI video creation tool. Lumen 5 can turn blog posts or scripts into videos automatically. Simply paste a blog post, and Lumen 5 selects matching visuals, text overlays, and music. Tip: use it for social media clips, short explainer videos, or repurposing written content into video. Extra tip: experiment with different templates, font styles, and background music to make your videos look professional and engaging. Lumen 5 saves you the time of manually editing each clip, letting you focus on your message and story. 3 o'clock to 3:54 is Murf AI, a free AI voiceover tool. Generate natural-sounding voiceovers for videos, presentations, or podcasts in just a few clicks. Paste your script, select a voice, and Murf AI reads it professionally. Tip: use Murf with Pictory or Lumen 5 to add narration without hiring a voice actor. Extra tip: you can adjust pitch, speed, and emphasis to make your audio sound more expressive and natural. This is perfect for creating professional content quickly and efficiently. Finally, Synthesia, an AI avatar video creator. Create videos with AI avatars speaking your script in multiple languages. Paste your script, choose an avatar, and get a ready-to-use video. Tip: use it for training videos, marketing, or multilingual content to reach a wider audience. Extra tip: combine Synthesia with DALL images or stock footage for visually engaging backgrounds. You can also customize avatars, gestures, and expressions to make your videos more dynamic and human-like. Quick recap: Notion AI equals productivity and AMP, organization. DALL E3 equals custom images and AMP, graphics. Lumen 5 equals script to video. Murf AI equals voiceovers. Synthesia equals AI avatar videos. Which tool are you most excited to try? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tool videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.